Okay, we've built our code, so let's test it out and see what happens. Okay, and the way you do that is go up and we'll set clear up here at the very beginning. So, and remember, this first cell is just markup, so you don't have to be there. You can start here. Markup is actually, they call it, markdown, I believe is what they used, but this is just for you and me to look at and put notes and so forth to make things pretty, but the code is all here. So we execute this cell, which is the import, and set up the variables and so forth. We do the next one, and now here is the main program. We hit it, and here we go. Goes up, stops, backs up a little bit, turns around, goes back to the beginning. There we go. Okay, not so bad. And it ran pretty well. So now let's set this, let's go back up here and set this variable knockdown to true and see what happens. TRUE. Now normally if we made this as a game, we'd ask for inputs and so forth, but this will work just fine for what we're trying to do. So we execute that, execute this, and now we execute the main program. Let's see what happens. Goes rolling along, stops, blinks, backs up, plows right on through, and comes back. Now notice it's not exactly accurate. It's missing a little bit. It works, but things aren't quite right. So what we will do, if we have time, is to get rid of these things like 180 here and here and here. We've got this in 3 places. And maybe we don't want to turn 180, and maybe we don't want to be 5 inches or 9. So what we should do is have variables for those numbers. And in fact, you really don't want to have numbers in your main programs. The programmers call those literals. And anytime, if anybody sees this, they will tell you that I'm an idiot for teaching you the wrong thing. However, I like when we're starting out to just sort of throw some numbers in and make sure we got it working. Then we should have a variable for 5, we should have a variable for the 9, and so forth, because we might want to change them. And also the 180 obviously didn't work in this case. So we can make variables for that, but that's up to you. And anyway, we're finished. Bye.